Today we are exploring Mount Rainier, an active volcano with breathtaking hiking trails and stunning waterfalls. And we also exercise the importance of always carrying a MedKit. This is Camping with Kayla at
Mount Rainier National Park.
Driving from Seattle, Washington to Mount Rainier takes about 2 hours and covers 100 miles. You'll pass through lush forest and charming towns with beautiful views along the Nisqually River. Don't forget to check the weather, as conditions can change quickly in the mountains.
There it is, Mount Rainier.
Did you know Mount Rainier is an active stratovolcano with over 25 glaciers covering its slopes?
Myrtle Falls is a great first stop in Mount Rainier. This stunning 30-foot waterfall is easily accessible on a short scenic trail near the visitor center. It is a perfect spot for family photos and breathtaking views of Mount Rainier. Standing at 14,411 feet, Mount Rainier is the highest peak in the Cascade Range, making it a prime destination for climbers and outdoor enthusiasts. The Bench and Snow Lake Trail is 2.6 miles round trip. This trail is considered moderate difficulty and leads hikers through beautiful forest, offering amazing views of the mountains. Our first stop was 1.5 miles from the trailhead to Bench Lake. This trail does have a bit of a rough descent to the lake, but it's worth it. Bench Lake is truly a hidden gem, offering incredible views of Mount Rainier. This was one of the least populated areas we came across in the park. After spending some time at Bench Lake, we continued on the trail to Snow Lake.
The trail was harder than I was expecting, and we did have to take a lot of breaks.
The Snow Lake Trail has an elevation gain of about 700 feet, or approximately 213 meters. The trail does feature some steep sections. Snow Lake is a glacial lake formed by melting glaciers, giving it a striking blue color.
This was also a great spot to rest and eat snacks. I really wish I brought my swimsuit. After our break, we started heading back on the trail until the incident happened.
I wanted to take a moment to let you know that I did ask Rylen if he was comfortable filming this next part.
I think it's important that everyone knows what can happen and to be prepared.
bad is it?
I don't know. It hurts like the dickens.
Yeah.
Where at? Right there?
Right there.
Bee stings are common during hikes, especially in flower-rich areas like Mount Rainier. What do you do if you're stung by a bee? Remove the stinger, clean the area, take pain medication, antihistamines, and apply a cold compress. We always carry our MedKit with us on every hike, so we had everything we needed available, including sting relief medication. After taking care of Rylan's bee sting and monitoring him for any allergic reactions, we made the painful hike back to the truck. We met many good Samaritans along the way, offering assistance, but when we mentioned that it was from a bee sting, not a single person had anything to help with that. Since I was stung by a bee last year, we added the essentials to our med kit, but bee stings are something we found most people are not prepared for.
Do you carry a med kit when you're hiking? If so, do you have anything in your kit for bee stings?
After the pain medication and antihistamine kicked in, Rylen felt comfortable walking without assistance. We got him back to the truck where we had an ice pack and he could elevate his foot. Although our hiking was done for the day, we did make 2 quick stops to see waterfalls near the roadside. The first one was Narada Falls. The falls drop about 168 feet, or 51 meters, making it one of the park's notable waterfalls. The second was Christine Falls, which features a dramatic double cascade dropping 69 feet, or 21 meters. Framed by the stone bridge, this is a great spot for photography. Despite Rylen being stung by a bee, the breathtaking beauty of Mount Rainier and unforgettable memories we created together made this trip one to remember.
Hi, my name's Rylen.
And I'm Colton.
Hi, I'm Lylah.
And I'm Kayla, and this is Camping with Kayla at Mount
Rainier
National Park.
Good, we're gonna record it. And there's a bee. It's a bee.
Oh. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
I saw you pick a present when you're like
Turn around. Tell me how this video looks.
not very good because it's sideways.
Somebody adjust it so it gets like all of us.
Let's see this right there. And then we gotta put
You can do it like, I'd bring it.
I have it sideways again. There. Right there. Keep it there.
I am sweating.
It's 6 today.
Ooh. For more information about national parks in the Pacific Northwest, be sure to check out our video on Olympic National Park. Thank you for watching, and if you liked this video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring that bell to be notified when our next video is available.